What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video. Today is Sunday and as you can see we are closing this very ugly candle right here, showing that the Bitcoin price this week tried to go to the upside, failed and came all the way back to this level where the Bitcoin is right now. Usually we see these gravestone dojis, this candlestick on the top of the movement, like here for example, and it indicates reversion of the trend. And it shows that there are more bearish demand than bullish demand. And we can also understand the same thing when this type of candle is printed on support levels, because usually we are rejected from supports, but not on this case because the bearish pressure is higher. In this video we are going to talk about the smaller time frame of Bitcoin, ADA, Cardano, Solana and XRP. So if that sounds interesting to you, smash the like button already and stick with me until the end of this video. Of course guys, don't forget to sign up to Bybit, the link is on the description of this video and also in the comment section. This is my favorite exchange and the one that I trade the most. And if you're using this link here to sign up, you can claim up to $30,000 bonus. But they require KYC, so if you want to keep trading anonymously, I would recommend you to use my second link and sign up to Bitflex. Also important to remember that with this movement that we had to the upside, we were retesting the level of the 200 weekly moving average, and as you can see we were rejected by it. Coming to the 15 minutes chart guys, you can see that we are having this wedge right here. We are bouncing between this support and resistance, and it is looking like that we are coming to retest the level of this resistance once more. If we manage to break above this level and find support on the way back, of course we could expect to see more movements to the upside. To support this idea, I can show to you the daily time frame. You can see that with this big candle right here, we broke below the level of the support of these candles right here at 26,000 and made a new low. But pay attention, we had this low, made a new low, lower low, RSI, low, higher low. You know this bullish divergency. Yes, I definitely agree with you, this price action here is kind of strange. That's not how we usually see the bullish divergences, but anyways, it is a bullish divergency. And of course that you know that bullish divergences on the daily time frame have the potential of giving us a very big movement to the upside guys. There we go guys, we are right now retesting the level of this resistance. As you can see, we are leaving behind a huge wick to the upside, and changing to this chart right here, you can see that it is also apparently a fake out above the level of this resistance as well. Not only the ascending one, but this horizontal line. And together with the fake outs, we can see bearish divergence on the 5 minutes chart. High, lower high, high, higher high. So probably this is a good spot to open a short position. And also the 4-hour time frame shows to us that we might be forming a local top on the level of this resistance. We can see here this is a gravestone doji after all this movement to the upside. If you're planning to open a short position guys, be careful, because right now the market is very tricky. Because yes, we are seeing the signs that we are going to go to the downside, but we are also seeing this bullish divergence on the daily time frame. So even though this is a good spot to short, this time it is more risky. The bulls can step in heavily at any time and we can see the price skyrocketing. So if you want to trade, stay cautious and don't use a lot of leverage. Coming to ADA Cardano guys, we can see that we are forming this symmetrical triangle right here, and we are right now retesting the level of the previous support as a new resistance, and so far we are being rejected by this point. So the same thing I would tell you here, it is usually a very good spot to enter with a short position, but the same thing that I said on the Bitcoin price right now we are having here. We are having a lot of indecision. We broke it to the downside, we are being rejected by the resistance, open short position, right? Yes, but on a bigger time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, you can see right here that we are forming bullish divergence as well. We have this first low and the next two lows are lower to this one, and here we have this low, higher low and higher low. Solana guys, we are also having a symmetrical triangle right here. This one we didn't break to either side yet. We are just bouncing in between the support and resistances. If we break this to the downside, we would probably come all the way down to the next level of support here at $18.70. If we are going to break to the upside, we have two levels of resistance above the price action. We have this one and this one. Ripple, I also wanted to show you Ripple on the bigger time frame here, guys. You can see that we have this red zone of resistance right here. We broke below this level, and with this daily candle right here, we are trying to reclaim it. So far we are failing, and we are not closing it above the resistance. You can see right here, support, 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 resistance. So this is a good level on the daily time frame, and usually I would tell you that if we don't manage to break above this level, then most probably we would come all the way down to the level of this resistance. But tricky scenario as well, guys. We are having this important resistance above the price action, and we are having bullish divergency on the daily time frame. So on this case, even though we are going to close candles below this level, we have a very big probability of seeing a good movement to the upside. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being here with me until the end of this video. If you like this content, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!